And first at 10, new hope in the pandemic is bringing the country a step closer to normal with each passing day.
It has been more than 2 grueling years to get to this point, but that doesn't mean we're out of the woods. Good evening and thank you for being with us tonight. I'm Glenda Lewis.
And I'm Brian Abel. President Biden speaking about his optimism during an interview with 60 Minutes at the Detroit Auto Show. But it's a comment that's met with criticism.
Is the pandemic over?
The pandemic is over. We still have a problem with COVID. We're still doing a lot of work on it. But the pandemic is over.
So how did we get to this point? Let's go back to March 2020 when the first COVID-19 case was reported in Michigan. Governor Whitmer shutting down schools and businesses to prevent the spread of the virus.
She signed an executive order 4 months later requiring people to wear masks in public. And it wasn't until the end of 2020 that the FDA issued the first emergency use authorization for a vaccine.
Since the start of this pandemic, there have been more than 2 million cases of COVID-19 in our state. And tragically, 38,317 people have lost their lives to the virus in Michigan.
Tonight, 7 Action News reporter Alex Bozargian is in Ferndale, where people are at odds over whether we are actually nearing the end of this pandemic.
Just this summer, the owners of Modern Baby took the mask required sign off their storefront. They said it was just too hard to enforce, but they are still making their employees wear masks because they say COVID is a threat to their business.
The president said the pandemic is over. What's your reaction to that?
So our reaction first is there's a little bit of a shock to it.
As small business owners, John and Emily Murray have listened closely to advice from world leaders and public health officials.
We know a lot of people with COVID right now. So, I mean, how is the pandemic over? Like, I don't know.
Well, COVID's definitely not over, right? So we have
Right.
2,600 cases, and it's probably much higher. Nobody's reporting anymore.
It was only recently that public health officials shifted their focus towards tracking severe illness from COVID rather than overall case counts. On Wednesday, the World Health Organization reported the number of COVID deaths haven't been this low since March 2020.
The pandemic has certainly gotten better. We have vaccines to help us prevent it, or at least to help us prevent serious disease. We have treatments that help people recover faster.
Infectious disease experts like Dr. Matthew Sims believe the pandemic has transitioned to an endemic state. A disease is endemic when its presence becomes steady in a particular region, or at least predictable, as with the seasonal flu. He says currently Beaumont Royal Oak has 50 patients with COVID and more than 100 across the whole hospital system.
Do you think the president's messaging was dangerous?
What I don't want to see happen is people who say we don't need vaccines anymore, that we don't have to get tested when we're sick.
Biden's remarks were made inside the auto show, where little to no guests were masked up. Some people think there's nothing wrong with giving people hope.
He may have just embraced that positive energy and said, wow, it feels as if it's over on one level.
My impression probably is that it's not over and he's just trying to create some optimism, but literally, God honest truth, my mom started having COVID yesterday.
Both Oakland and Wayne counties are still listed in medium community level spread right now. Dr. Sims says if you haven't gotten your bivalent booster, this is a good time to schedule your appointment. If you need more information about where to get it, you can visit our website at WXYZ.com. In Ferndale, I'm Alex Bozargian for 7 Action News.